morning.
morning.
May I ask one question? And would you like to get married? And would you like to have your baby?
Of course.
Yeah.
No, Max, no.
No?
You don't
Okay.
want to get married?
Not now.
Not now. Yes, not right now. But in the future.
Maybe.
So I'd like to talk about one of my best friend of having a baby. I met her since when I was in junior high school student. We are good best.
Good.
We became a good friend. We talked everything. So and she has a boyfriend. No, she has been boyfriend since she was 19 or 18, and so they has been continued relationship for 10 years. And finally, they got married, and they had baby. And they had baby, but maybe 3 or 4 years ago, they had baby. But the baby, she was died for 2 days. In 2 days, so that time she couldn't motivate up, and she couldn't understand everything. So we cried a lot, but she need a lot of help to support, because the situation was she was very shocked, and she wanted to die or something. So but after that she wanted to try to have baby again, but her body was a little bit too difficult to get her baby, to get pregnant. But finally last year she got pregnant, and she had a baby right now. So and the baby was boy. So he was birth on September 11th in 2012. So the day is her husband's birthday. So she's now very happy, and I'm happy too. So thank you.